I chose to get involved in STEM racing to challenge myself. I've learned so many skills throughout, like communication skills, learning how to present myself, and I just think it's been a wonderful opportunity to make myself do things that I wouldn't necessarily do otherwise.
STEM racing for me is an opportunity to see children in a totally different light, to have the opportunity to see them outside the classroom, to see how they work together, how they collaborate, and how they overcome difficulties to make this epic project come together.
It's an incredible competition. It's really fun. Designing cars, engineering the cars in CAD and software like that, and then racing it is absolutely brilliant.
I chose to get involved in STEM racing to broaden my horizons and take part in a new experience that I wouldn't get in the classroom. To a student that is yet to compete, just go for it, just do it. It's such a great experience.